Welcome back, adventurers, to another episode of 5 Minutes of Your Time, or 5 Minutes of Your Time episode, however you want to put it, guys. Welcome back. Going on a little short, quick adventure. Well, I'm actually taking a long way to get to the store so I can make this video. I spent the past couple weeks working on my modular helmet because, as you probably caught in one of the last videos, it stopped being modular. It had become locked down. I couldn't get the chin bar to come back up like it needed to, so I had to take the helmet completely apart, all the way down to where I could get to the very base screws that were holding this stud on the left side in place. Once I got down to where I could get that stud out, I had a bird just poop on me. Jesus Christ. Alright. That was fun. Once I got that stud out and I tested it out, it's working okay-ish. It's not 100%. The spring that controls the clasp mechanism isn't functioning. I think it's broke. It's not allowing the clip to spring back out like it's supposed to. So, but it's modular again. It may take a little finagling, but it is back to being a modular helmet, which means it's back to being useful for me. I had to take a little bit of time to try to get this mic back inside, and I had a little bit of a discovery, if you can call it that. Alright, so in the video I did when I was on the Shadow wearing Mala's helmet, she doesn't have a chin curtain on the front of her chin bar. Hers is open because she likes the extra ventilation. And I thought that was going to cause a lot of excess wind noise and so on and so forth. Now, it may have been because I was on the Shadow, which doesn't make any sense. But when I went to edit the video on when I was wearing her helmet, I didn't have half as much sound wind noise coming across the microphone as I do with my helmet. And that wasn't, I didn't understand that. So I looked over how her mic was, or how I set up the mic in her helmet versus how it was set up in mine. And the only thing I could figure is, in order to secure the mic in the proper place in her helmet, what I did was stuffed it into that little foam cushioning that goes around a microphone. And that's the only thing that I know was different between her helmet setup and this one. So what I did when I put the microphone back into this one is I took some pipe cleaners and wrapped the microphone, since I don't have any more of those foam cushion things for the microphones. I took the pipe cleaner and wrapped it around the microphone, and also wrapped it around the mic that goes to my Bluetooth unit, my little exit mic. So hopefully, once I get back from editing this video, I'll be able to figure out if this little pipe cleaner is doing what I think it should do. And then I may change it out, because right now it's like a pastel purple pipe cleaner. So it looks a little goofy in this all black helmet sticking out this little purple piece. But I ain't that worried about it. Hey buddy, how you doing? I mean, as long as it works, it works. I'm not about to go look for another pipe cleaner if this does the job. But hopefully, guys, I'll find out that it works out fantastic, and I'll keep the pipe cleaner on there. Because not only does it hold the microphones together in the same location, if it also provides a buffeting for that wind noise, that's going to make it even better and so much more functional than how it was set up before. But that's kind of why I'm taking this little trip. I wanted to test it out, see how it goes. I haven't worn my modular helmet in 2 weeks, which was part of the reason I didn't really want to get out and make videos, because one, I had to take the microphone out of this helmet, 2, I had to put it into another helmet that I was going to end up having to take it back out of. But I did all that. I put it in, took it out, it's back in this one. So we're going to see how it goes. I am proud that I got off my butt and did do that. And part of the reason I was waiting so long to put the modular back together was the inside of it had gotten completely soaked from the rain. So I did have all the cushioning pieces out, trying to dry those. That's a perfectly good donor van. More on that one later, perhaps. Where was it? Oh yeah, so I had to dry out the helmet basically. So now everything's dry, it's all back together for the most part. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it is 100% better than what it was a week ago. So we'll call that a win-win. So, alright, it's a beautiful Saturday. Tomorrow's going to be a beautiful Sunday. What are our plans for the weekend? Are we making any trips? I don't know, guys. As the holidays are right around the corner, we are trying to save a few pennies here and there, trying to not waste trips going here, not waste trips going there. I think we're going to end up having to go to the pharmacy later today, so that's going to be one little small trip. If Mala feels like going, we'll take the bikes. If not, I'll take a bike. And then I can make another video while I'm doing that. Or hell, for that matter, if we take the Jeep, there's nothing stopping me from putting the GoPro inside the Jeep and making videos that way. But we'll see how that goes. I know we're not going anywhere specific as of right now. That may change between now and 5 o'clock this afternoon as Mala decides she wants to do something. Or she may find us something to do tomorrow. Either way, I do have a few projects I'm planning on finishing up. I've already been to my mom's this morning. I had to take them the trailer bag that we used for the camp out. And also had to reinstall a license plate bracket for the trailer. On the way back, it broke off and we lost the tag. Somewhere coming up 75. I blame Amazon products, cheap plastic, not even Chinesium. I don't even know what you want to call cheap plastic, I guess. And then that's actually what I had to put back on it. Was I had a few extra brackets, so I put another one on there, and I left them the extra bracket just in case they see they need to replace the one that's on there now. I'm going to see if I can't come across some kind of metal bracketing that I should have out in the shed somewhere. And I got to go out to the shed anyway. I have, like I said, other projects to complete. I want to finish Project Goldwing and get it out of here and on the way to where it's going. I didn't like how some of the pieces turned out. They came out real soft and kind of gummy, which is fine. They're not falling apart, but for what...
Welcome back again. Welcome back again. That gas station trip took longer than it should have because I could not make up my mind. I could not choose which kind of pork rind. So I ended up getting like barbecue and... Alright, Coachies, which way are you going? Are you going left? You going right? Alright, apparently he still doesn't know where he's going. He went left. Okay. Well, I'm going left as well. Alright, so visor down, gear up, and we're gone. I ended up getting
barbecue, and I think it was regular crackalakin. And then I got me 2 rains, and I got 2 pickles. Let's go ahead and slam past this guy, shall we? Whew. Yeah, that was fine. Oh, it's gonna kill me once you watch this video later. Oh. But yeah, alright, so I also got 2 pickles in a pouch. Now, they're not the Big Papa pickles, so I'm not that excited about them. If anyone knows I like my Big Papa pickles in a pouch, I'm not a fan of the garlic ones or the hot ones or sour ones. It's just the Big Papa ones I like, but I will get the dills if they don't have the Big Papas. That gas station did not have the Big Papas. Had the other ones, but so I ended up just getting the dill, which would be fine. They're not bad. They're just not as good as the Big Papas. Oh. Jesus Christ! I gotta get off their ass just a little bit. Damn. Holy shit! All right, well, get at it then, big boy. Get at it. All that just to get on the brakes, buddy, I tell you. You may not be the sharpest tool in the shed. Y'all like my singing? I'm in a little bit of a singing mood today. Whee! I mean, I see why he passed him, but damn. Really worth all that effort, I wouldn't think. I mean, hell, I could have passed him too, but like I said, it's not really worth the effort right now. I guess it's all a matter of perspective, right? To me, I'm not in a rush. I'm just sitting here making a video on the way back home. He, on the other hand, may actually have somewhere he's got to go. But judging by how far ahead he is, I'm not going to say he's in too much more of a rush than I am. He just wants to act like it. That's fine. I'm always going to catch him right down there in the bottom. It feels really nice out here today, y'all. If you're not out riding, I don't know what you're doing. I expect to see a video from all of the content creators that I follow from the Forgotten Angels guys. If your weather and your part of the town looks anywhere as good as this, you better be out there doing something. Take advantage of it while we still have it. Now, I know down here in the south we have year-round riding season. Or for me, it's year-round riding season. It may be worth going out to the track tonight, guys. I'm going to talk to Mom about that when we get home. See what she thinks. Probably not, though, because it's expensive to get out there just to watch them run the track for 5 minutes and have to shut it down because some idiot blew a gasket or some shit. And that's been the luck for us going out there, is we only get to see like a few passes before, we never get to finish any of the events we go out there to. That's basically what I'm saying. Because I always blow something up on the track, or it's raining. Something happens. And we just can't finish the events. I'm gonna see what Mom wants to do and go from there. Gotta make one more the beer store. Kind of feeling like some Dos Equis. I'm not sure if we're going to go get Dos Equis, because this is a hit and miss whether they have Dos Equis in. So it's, I don't know, guys. We may go check it out, or I may just decide to
ride this Harley on to the house and give Mama her. She won't be mad. And the peanut guy, is he out? Yes, the peanut guy's out too. Alright. And the moped man, he's out. Alright, well that's going to be it, guys. I am literally just talking out of my head right now. And I'm almost back where I want to be, so we're going to end this video where it's at. And I don't know what we're doing. We'll see. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for just listening to me half-ass sing and just run my mouth about whatever on the way back from the store. So, thank you for coming in. Go have an adventure, guys. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Hopefully Willie will have something on the smoker later today. That sounds like fun. All right, y'all.